Strengthening for the ideal body. It's one that functions optimally and has the right volume. Listen to this daily for a month. Measure and weigh yourself to track changes. Let's erase feeling heavy and rigid both physically and mentally. We'll separate weaknesses causing lightness both physical and non-physical. Erasing fears and negative experiences that cause control and inflexibility. Removing the effect of never feeling light, strong, or slender. Erasing weight issues in you and ancestors from this life and others. Separating lightness, strength, slenderness. Erasing weaknesses forever. Balancing these components, making them centered, stable, and reset. Strengthen the central nervous system to accept, recognize, and embrace lightness, strength, and slenderness in your body at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time for infinite time. We strengthen bone structures throughout the entire body. We strengthen muscles in specific areas you want to reduce. We strengthen cartilage in specific areas you want to reduce. Strengthen cartilage throughout the entire body. Strengthen bone structures in specific areas you want to reduce. Strengthen the central nervous system to reduce volume to optimal levels. Strengthen all structural changes to build strength. We boost internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices to 100% infinite potential, always, and erase all weaknesses to zero infinity perpetually. We enhance the triad for accelerating body mass reduction. We increase energy to break down cells effectively. We optimize cell count and boost remaining cells to peak efficiency at 100% infinite potential all the time. Powerfully reduce atoms and molecules to decrease body mass. We clear mental energy that becomes physical mass, sending it to body's black holes at 100% infinite potential always. Activate the powerful triad of bodily lightness. Intensify bone lengthening by converting matter to energy. Powerfully lighten bones in specific areas you want to reduce. Rapidly boost physical intelligence to clear mental sluggishness at 100% infinite potential continuously. Maintain reduced body volume through powerful techniques. Enhance physical intelligence for high energy levels. Strengthen physical condition to counteract body volume. Strengthen the 6 elements of fitness for body volume reduction. Build strength to maintain structure and reduce body volume. Boost physical intelligence for optimal body volume reduction. Enhance physical intelligence to accelerate digestion. Strengthen to tense and tone the body. Build strength to break down encapsulations. Strengthen hollow structures and optimize their size. Enhance removal of cellular waste and dead cells. Boost the body's ability to handle acceleration processes. Improve physical intelligence for optimal metabolism. Strengthen elimination processes for maximum efficiency. Enhance the maximization of body volume reduction. Strong integration of torso and limbs in both directions. Powerful maximization of matter to energy conversion, ensuring presence of nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. Continuous weight loss until reaching optimal levels. Minimizing energy to matter transformation. Enhancing the body's physical form. Boosting endurance, agility, coordination, and flexibility. Strengthening the drive to maintain a light physique. strong and slender. We erase lack of hope, confidence, and self reliance along with their cumulative effects. Strong desire to maintain optimal digestion, metabolism, and elimination at accelerated levels. Strong urge to lose weight, reduce body volume, and maintain improvements. We strengthen physical factors supporting tension for abdominal fat reduction. Strong lymphatic connection between the abdomen and central nervous system, both ways. Strong blood flow between the abdominal area and central nervous system, both ways. Strong nerve connections between the abdomen and central nervous system, both ways. Increased mitochondria in abdominal cells, connected with the five brains, both ways. We strengthen physical condition, natural, tense, relaxed, and effortless. We eliminate food related weaknesses, misconceptions, poor perception, and misinterpretation of the food before you. We remove eating related issues, guilt, shame, fear, and lack of enjoyment. We erase cooking related barriers, resistance, doubt, lack of willpower, and disinterest. Empowered to eat much, little, slowly, quickly, or not at all. We boost lymph by restoring alkaline pH with more negative ions. We reduce lymph density and strengthen it to optimal levels. We enhance lymph's connection to surrounding cells and system components. We reinforce other system parts for better lymph control. Strengthened elimination of excess accumulated waste. Improved lymph connection to right subclavian and left internal jugular veins. We empower fat to break down and move independently. Strong, so it separates and turns into energy. Strong to remove cellular waste and major toxins, dead and decaying cells. Strong detox to channel mental energy to the lymphatic system and body's weak spots. We boost the lymphatic system, nodes, lymph, capillaries, ducts, thoracic ducts, and center. We maximize lymphatic functions to their highest potential. Strong to eliminate waste and dead cells. Strong connection between lymphatic and central nervous systems both ways. We clear weaknesses in all lymphatic system parts, channels, ducts, fluids, and nodes. We enhance the link between lymphatic center, kidneys, and liver. Strong lymphatic system as a whole. Strong two-way communication between lymphatic system and all five brains. Strengthen each part of the lymphatic system with all five brains. Fortify lymph nodes, lymph, capillaries, ducts, and centers inside and out. Boost communication between all combinations of 2 to 5 components. Enhance support between any two components, whatever they may be. Remove encapsulations within the peritoneum, eliminate intestinal enlargement, remove encapsulations between outer peritoneum and abdominal muscle and skin layers, remove enlarged cells, eliminate cells from other body parts or times and spaces, remove joined and mismatched cells and tissues, eliminate cell unions, tissues and bodies fusing with the living body, eliminate bloating, remove carb cravings, reduce fat stimulating substances to optimal levels, galanin, opioids, mineralocorticoids, estrogen, and ghrelin. Boost leptin, neuropeptides, and dopamine. Increase activity, muscle tone, energy, strengthen daily routines, enhance natural strength, build resilience to daily experiences. resilient against weakening thoughts, adaptable to events, mentally flexible, physically agile, easily adjusting to situations, quick to solve problems, and coordinating daily activities and schedules. We boost anti stamina and decrease histamine production. We maximize internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices to 100% with limitless potential, constantly and infinitely. Let's remove all barriers, limits, delays, or blocks to this process, physical or not, yours or not, from this life or others. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We eliminate resistance to improvement, change, and being different. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. Tell me how you feel now, the same or different.